Hi everyone, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's video, I'm gonna show you how you can use the CapCut AI photo template to change your persona in a photo. So here I've already added a photo to my CapCut, and to change the persona you can easily use the photo effect. So click on the photo, go to effect. Click on the photo effect and find the AI photo options. So in here there are a few options that you can choose. For example, you want yourself to become a basketball player, you can just choose basketball. Wait for it to generate like that. Or you can also change yourself into a cheerleader. Okay, and if you like with the result, just click on the check icon. So that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks below. Bye.